Hi guys, I'm taking a ride on my bike, testing the new OnePlus Bullets Wireless. The sound is good. The sound isolation from the outside is perfect. I didn't wear anything like this, but the sound is good. It's clear. You have a lot of volume to rock and blow your ear. No distortion. You wear it and you forget about them. This is good, very good. I really can't hear anything outside. Let's unbox them. Yeah! Hi guys, and welcome to another video of Flicks for Techs. Today we're gonna unboxing and review this. This is the OnePlus Bullets Wireless. We're trying them walking, running in the park, riding a bike, and literally you can forget about them because they are very comfortable. With Qualcomm ATPX technologies, the sound is very good and you don't have any losses in respect of wired earbuds. For €79, this is a best of. You have a really nice wireless headphone. Let's start to open the box. The unboxing experience is very grateful. The design and the marketing here is really huge. The box is full white with the OnePlus logo on the app, and in the middle there is a scratch of the headphones. When you open the box, you find the OnePlus Bullets Wireless right in your face, and on the other side you find the red pouch with the magnetic clip. This is made in silicone. Opening the white never settle boxes, you can find your earplugs. The earplugs are in 3 different sizes, so try them all to find the one that is perfect for your ears. To wear the headphones, you have to gently push the left earphone into your left ear and the right earphone into your right ear. Move them a little bit, and if they will fit good and don't bother you, they are the perfect fit for you. And removing the headphones, you can find the Free Your Music, created together with our fans. Love. Opening the box, you find the earphones. You can take them off, take the user guide, read them, and then you can start your experience. Bluetooth connection is very fast, and the unique features of these headphones are the magnetic stop. So as you can see on the bottom of every piece, there is a magnetic that when you close them, when you attach them with this magnetic closing, the music stops. And when you unplug them, when you unclick them, the music will restart only in OnePlus mobile phone, because with other devices this function is not supported. The starting one, the stop one is supported by every device. Oh, you can find the control volume pads and the start and stop button that will work also with Google Assistant and Siri with Apple. The charge of these headphones is very quick, like 10-12 minutes, and you charge up all the battery and they will running for about 5-6 hours, also 7 if you only listen to music. The neckband is in silicone. All the headphones are in silicone. The wire is very thin for me, too much thin by the way. These are all in silicone, so you have a nice grip, nice feeling touching them. These are water resistant for splash damage or light rain, but the charging port is open, and this is not good for me because you have to stay aware of of water. So the sound quality is very good for this price tag. 69 euros. You can buy them only in OnePlus website. In the last month they were always sold out. Here you have the button for on, off and pairing with Bluetooth that is very fast. These headphones are very good if you want to use them for running, for jumping, for riding to bike. But if you want a full wireless experience like the AirPods, this can be a little tricky because you still have wire, you still have something around your neck, you still have something that from your ears are attached to your neck, so they are not too much comfortable. If I'm thinking of this winter, holding a heavy jacket, it will be a little tricky, I think, in winter to use this kind of wireless things. When the sun is shining, they are a best buy. I think that you can buy anything at these price tags that give you this sound quality and very nice stop function, because you can't appreciate a function like this until you use it. So you can say, oh yeah, it's magnetic stop, I don't need it. But when you are in bike or you're listening to music, yeah, you go into groceries, you just pay, you take them away and stop it without push the button, so and the music is still running, or a wire headphones when you throw away your phone, pause. What are you saying? Yeah. By the way, the design is purely copied Beats X. These are the Beats X from Beats, changed, upgraded, and put them on the darker side because they are all black. They are more comfortable, by the way, and a little cheaper, so they're good. Another things that I sincerely don't like is that they are really pretty anonymous. The OnePlus logo is only in gray when there is the charging dock, and you can't find anything else around. They are pretty anonymous earbuds. If they will put the OnePlus logo here, I think that they will be really better. Nice looking. You pay also for design and nice looking. So that's all for that review. Thank you to follow us. Thumbs like if you like it. Subscribe if you really like it, and tell us what you think about these earphones in the comments below. Thank you and see you next time.